Hello everyone, welcome back to Atozee English. Today's topic is conditional conjunctions, which are very important for fluent English, IELTS, and academic writing. So let's start. What are conditional conjunctions? Conditional conjunctions are words or phrases used to connect two clauses, where one clause expresses a condition and the other clause expresses the result or consequence. There are so many conditional conjunctions. Common are if, unless, even if, even though, as long as, and provided that. So we will cover all these conditional conjunctions one by one. The first one is if. If is used to show a condition that may happen or may be true. Its structure is if plus condition followed by a result. Condition can be in present, past, or perfect form depending on the type of condition. Let's understand it by examples. First example, if it rains, we will stay home. It's a first conditional, means possible future. If it rains is a condition and we will stay home is the result or the consequences of the condition. Next example, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. It is the first conditional. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. Additional tip for using if. If is neutral, neither formal nor informal. It is used in all types of conditional. As I mentioned in the examples, the first two sentences are of first conditional, third sentence is of second conditional, means hypothetical, and the fourth one is the third conditional, that is the past hypothetical. Next conditional conjunction is unless. Unless means if not. It introduces a negative condition. Its structure is unless plus condition followed by a result. It is equivalent to if not plus condition. Examples: I won't go outside unless it stops raining. It means I won't go if it doesn't stop raining, means it shows a negative condition. Next example, you cannot enter the club unless you have a membership. It means you cannot enter the club if you do not have a membership. So unless is only used for negative conditions. Often replaces if not for conciseness. You can also use if not. Next conditional conjunction is even if. Even if is used for hypothetical or unlikely conditions. It expresses that the result will happen regardless of the condition. The structure is even if plus hypothetical condition followed by a result. Examples: even if it rains, we will play cricket. It shows a hypothetical or unlikely condition. Means the rain may happen, but the plan is fixed. means the result will happen regardless of the condition. Even if it rains, we will play cricket. Next example, even if I fail, I will try again. Means I will try again regardless even if I fail. It is used for emphasis, shows determination or certainty despite a condition. It is commonly used in speaking and writing for contrast. Next conditional conjunction is even though. Even though is used for real or factual conditions. It introduces a contrast between two facts. Its structure is even though plus fact followed by a result. Examples of even though. First one is, even though it rained yesterday, we went out. Means it actually rained. It is a fact. It is a real condition, but the result is a contrast. It is the contrast between two facts. Next one, even though he was tired, he completed the work. So it shows a completely contrast between the two sentences, between the two clauses. Commonly we use even though for past or present facts, not hypothetical situations. Often interchangeable with although or though. Next conditional conjunction is as long as. As long as is used to show that a condition must be met for a result to happen. It is informal or conversational. Result plus as long as plus condition. Another structure is as long as plus condition followed by a result. Examples: you can stay here as long as you behave well. As long as you practice daily, you will improve your English. So it is often used in everyday conversational, and it expresses dependency of one action on another. Means the condition must be met for a result to happen. And the last one is the provided that. Provided that is similar to as long as but more formal. It is used in academic writing, reports, or formal instructions. Structure is result and provided that plus condition, or provided that plus condition followed by a result. Examples: you can attend the workshop provided that you register online. Provided that all students submit assignments on time, the teacher will give extra marks. It is the formal version of as long as, perfect for academic writing or essay writing, reports. Summary. So the conjunctions if is used for any condition or a neutral sentences. Example, if it rains, we will stay home. Unless is for negative conditions. Like if not, I won't go unless you come. Means if you not come, I won't go. Even if is for hypothetical or unlikely conditions. Even if I fail, I will try again. It is an unlikely condition. Even though is for fact, reality, or contrast. Even though he was tired, he completed work. As long as means for the conditions that must be met. It is informal as comparison to the provided that. You can stay as long as you behave well. Provided that condition must be met, but it is more formal and academic. You can participate provided that you register. Means for participation, you must register. That is the condition that must be met. Thank you. Thank you for watching.